Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail strengtheners that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the OPI Nail Strengthener with vitamins. OPI Nail Strengthener is designed to fortify your nails while enhancing the longevity of your nail polish. Infused with vitamins A and E, this formula helps to strengthen your nails, making them less prone to breakage. You can enjoy a long-lasting finish for up to 7 days when you use it as part of a 3-step system. The Pro-Wide Nail Polish Brush ensures that application is smooth and even, eliminating streaks and bubbles. With a salon-quality formula, you'll appreciate the high shine and quick-drying results that keep your nails looking their best. At number 4, we have the OPI Nail Envy Strengthener Pink to Envy. OPI Pink Nail Envy is designed to make your nails much stronger in just 1 week. It uses Triflex technology, which acts like a protective shield to build layers of strength on your nails. This helps prevent damage such as chipping, peeling, and splitting, so your nails look healthier and last longer. Additionally, the formula is packed with vitamins A, E, C, biotin, and calcium, which nourish your nails and support their natural growth. Using this treatment regularly can give you nails that are not only stronger, but also visibly healthier and more beautiful. At number 3, we have the modelones Nail Strengthener and Growth Polish 15 milliliters. The modelones Nail Strengthener Polish is designed to protect and improve the health of your natural nails. It works as a daily treatment that strengthens weak or damaged nails, making them less prone to splitting or breaking. This polish also acts as a ridge filler, smoothing out bumps and uneven surfaces to give your nails a shiny, natural look. Additionally, it helps promote nail growth with a gentle formula containing keratin and jojoba oil, providing essential nutrients. The product is free from harmful chemicals, so you can care for your nails safely and effectively while enjoying a polished, healthy appearance. At number 2, we have the modelones Nail Strengthener and Repair Polish 15 milliliters. The modelones Nail Strengthener is designed to help you improve the look and health of your nails. It gently covers imperfections like yellowing, cracks, and roughness, giving your nails a natural, shiny finish. This polish not only beautifies, but also strengthens and repairs damaged nails by moisturizing and healing cracks, helping your nails grow stronger. Unlike regular nail polish, it lasts longer and actually supports nail health. Made with natural ingredients like evening primrose oil, keratin, and jojoba oil, it nourishes your nails safely without harmful chemicals. This means you can enjoy healthier, better-looking nails without worrying about toxins. And finally, at number 1, we have the OPI Nail Envy Strengthener. OPI Nail Envy is a powerful nail strengthener designed to make your nails up to 95% stronger within just 1 week of use. Its unique Triflex technology acts like a liquid shield, providing layer-building strength that reinforces your nails. This formula not only strengthens, but also protects against common issues like chipping, peeling, and splitting, helping you maintain healthy-looking nails. Enriched with vitamins A, E, C, biotin, and calcium, it gives your nails the nourishment they need to thrive. You'll appreciate the visible difference as your nails become more resilient and beautiful.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.